guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha from Entrepreneur. I share tips and tricks about easy to create art. My passion lately has been understanding and trying to master the art of calligraphy and share my learnings from the process with you guys. This video is the fourth video of the series where we try and create variations of the 26 alphabets. Today, we will take a look at lowercase alphabets Q through U. Like I do at the beginning of each video, I would again like to remind you guys to practice your strokes regularly, because that is probably one of the best things you will do for yourself if you plan to improve your calligraphy or hand lettering skills. And with this activity that we've been doing with the alphabets, you will also be able to identify and create a style that is unique to you. So far in this series, we have experimented with various strokes and we have managed to create variations of all lowercase alphabets up to alphabet P. And in the process, we have covered all the basic strokes at least once. So, if you have watched all the 3 previous videos, then you already have an idea of how we identify these variations. And if you haven't, I'm gonna link them here on the screen and you can find them by clicking on the information icon at the top right. If you are an absolute beginner, then I recommend you watch my videos on 4 calligraphy and common mistakes beginners tend to make. I've also linked them here on the screen.